In this video, we're going to quickly cover how to get up and running with your blog. Now, you might want a blog just for the purposes of keeping an online diary. It's probably more than likely to promote your business, or you might be wanting to do it as a business in itself. Whatever it may be, hopefully this video will help you. And if you've got any tips to add that you'd like to share, please do comment below with them, as I always think it's great to share one another's ideas. So to start with, you need to think about where you want to blog. Now, some people just choose social media to blog on, so whether that be Instagram to share your stories or Facebook or Twitter, that might be enough for you. But I always think for SEO purposes and for evergreen content, it's really vital to have your own blog because you're in control of that medium. You're not answerable to any of the social media platforms and their algorithms, which often change and can annoy a lot of people. But at the end of the day, they're giving you those platforms for free. So what I would recommend is starting a blog and then choosing which platform. Now, there's simple platforms if you want to create a nice looking website, such as Weebly. They help to create brilliant websites and it's very easy to build. But when it comes to blogging, I must recommend as well WordPress. Now, this is probably the most favourite platform for bloggers. So have a play around with both sites and see which one you prefer, and also the pros and cons of each platform. WordPress, I'd say, is less user friendly than Weebly, but because it is less user friendly, it's a lot more dynamic. Post regularly and have a content schedule as much as possible. For me at the moment, the realistic plan is just to post one blog a week, and that's more than enough for me, as I also produce 3 vlogs a week. So that's plenty, because on top of that, I've got the social media promotion and I run a number of different sites. So make sure you're realistic about whatever goal you set. You also want your blogs to be fairly lengthy, so 900 words is ideal in terms of SEO purposes. So you want to be thorough and in depth with your blog.